Have you ever made your first rupees 1000 completely on your own? Not your pocket money, not the money which your parents give you, or not the money you got from doing some random work. I mean that first rupees 1000 where you can genuinely say that I earned it. Because when I was trying to figure out how to make money for the first time, I was very much confused. You search how to earn money as a student on YouTube, then you will get hundreds of videos. Everyone will say do freelancing, trading, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, content creation, reselling, etc. But after watching 20 different videos, you will still be at rupees 0. And that is our biggest problem. We spend so much time watching all those videos and a perfect strategy, but we never start doing anything. So instead of giving you another random list or showing you some magical app which will earn money, let me tell you what actually worked for me and what I would do if I was starting from zero again. I'll also show you one really useful tool which a lot of creators are using today, which will make this entire process much easier. I'll come back to this in a while, because my first 1000 didn't come from some magical app or some secret website. It started with something very simple. I started creating something which people found useful. For me, that was content. When I started this channel, I didn't have some huge audience or a crazy setup. I still don't have it. And slowly something interesting started happening. The more I created, the more skills I was building. I was learning editing, scripting, thumbnail designing, communication, and understanding an audience, and basically how to make something that people actually want to watch. And that is the first thing I tell you. Don't start by thinking how do I make money. Start by asking yourself what can I actually become good at. Because if you have no skill, no proof, and no reason for someone to choose you, then simply searching for ways to make money is just a waste of time. Let's say if you're good at editing, then don't just say I know video editing. Make 5 really good edits. Then if you're good at thumbnails, then make 10 thumbnails. And if you're good at coding, then build something. Basically create a proof, because when somebody asks you what you can do, you shouldn't have to explain them for 10 minutes. And once you have something to show, then comes the part which most people completely ignore. You actually have to find people who need what you can do. And this doesn't mean randomly spamming hundreds of people. Let's say you are a video editor, then find small creators who are already making videos but clearly need a better editing. Watch their content, understand what they're doing, and find one thing you can genuinely improve. Then you can just message them instead of saying, sir, please give me work. And if you're building something online, then there are tools that can make the whole process of managing people and sharing things with your audience much easier. That is actually something I wish I had understood earlier. And if you are planning to create content, especially on Instagram, then you have probably noticed something. Almost every creator says things like comment link and I'll send it to your DM. At first I also wondered whether they are actually sitting and replying to every single person. But obviously that's not possible. That is where DM automation comes in. One tool that does this really well is Super Profile. It lets you automatically send DMs whenever someone comments on your reel or post or even replies to your stories. The feature I personally found really useful is that you can even set conditions. For example, you can make it so that the person should follow you first, then only if they comment, then they will receive that DM. This is a smart way to increase both engagement and followers at the same time. Whether you're sharing notes, PDFs, free guides, links, or digital resources, this saves a huge amount of time. Instead of manually replying to hundreds of people, everything happens automatically. If you're serious about growing your Instagram or building your personal brand, then I genuinely think it's worth checking it out. I have left the link in the description, and if you use my coupon code YTASHAY99, you will get up to 99% off on your first month. So you will get it in just rupees 1. So definitely check it out if you're planning to start creating content. Now coming back to my story, one thing I would genuinely recommend is don't worry about making a huge amount immediately. Your first goal should be 100 rupees, then 500, then 1000. Because that first payment teaches you something which those how to make money in online wala videos cannot teach you. And I got to experience this myself. My first collaboration was in my previous YouTube channel. That was some study vlog channel. Now it is not there. I just deactivated it. Why I did that, there is a complete story behind that. In my channel there are videos, you can just check it out. And that first sponsor was of an educational platform. At that time I remember I had some 600 subscribers, I guess. I got rupees 500 for my first integrated promo. I know it's a small amount, but you won't get that happiness when I received that first payment, because it was the first time I understood how powerful content creation is. But the important part wasn't the amount. It was knowing how something I had built from nothing had become valuable enough for someone to actually pay me. And that is the mindset I want you to take from this. Don't try to copy exactly what I did. You don't need to start a YouTube channel. You don't need to become an influencer. You don't even need thousands of followers. Find one thing you're genuinely genuinely good at or something you are willing to get good at. Create proof, find people who need it, and actually put yourself out there. Because your first 1,000 isn't really about 1,000. It's about proving to yourself that you can create value from your own skills. And once you figure that out, the next 1,000 becomes a lot less scary. So if you're sitting at ₹0 right now, then don't worry about how you're going to make it to that first lakh. Just figure out how you're going to make your first 1,000. Because once you know how to make the first one, you finally have something you can build on. So you don't need to start big, you just need to start.